I want to let you know how to quick fix this issue with slow seat belt retraction. All you need is one medium flathead screwdriver. Place the screwdriver in the hole on top of the seat belt. Push further in under the seat belt guide. This is restricting the seat belt and is part of the issue. Now push down and pop off the seat belt guide. You will feel it pop and become loose. The seatbelt will now retract further back in, and should now be acceptable in a test situation. Further exploration to remove the items will be needed. I hope this was helpful to you.